Hi, have you ever noticed that when you upload the same video to different accounts, one of them gets way more views than the other? Why does this happen? In this video, you're going to find out the answer to this mystery, and I'll also tell you how to make your videos get more views. But before we start, I have 3 years of experience in this field, so I suggest you take the information I'm going to give seriously. First of all, why does one video get way more views than the other when you upload the same video to different accounts? There's almost no difference between the two, but small mistakes can cause the video to get fewer views. The first mistake is a bad thumbnail. No matter how good and helpful your video is, if the thumbnail isn't attractive, the click-through rate on your video will be very low, and that's why your video gets fewer views. Now, some experienced YouTubers say thumbnails don't matter. If you provide the right information in the video, people will come back and watch your solution videos when they face their next problem. I agree with this to some extent, but this only applies to channels that already have a lot of subscribers and views. But since we've just started our channel, we need to make people click on our videos so they get to know us. Later, what they say will become relevant. That's why you should learn how to make thumbnails. But don't worry, in my next video, I'll teach you how to create professional thumbnails. The second mistake is the video title. The video title is even more important than the thumbnail. Why is the title more important than the thumbnail? Especially for beginners, this is an area that requires an incredible amount of attention. How do you create an attention-grabbing title? There are many methods for this. You can ask ChatGPT if you want, but if you prefer to write your own title, I'll explain it very easily. Which one do you think is more appealing? Comparison of cheap and expensive plane tickets, or $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket? Of course, most people will choose the $1 versus $500,000 plane ticket option. In fact, both titles are almost the same, but the difference in numbers creates a huge impact. So what you need to do is write a shorter title, and more importantly, never lie in the title, because viewers clicked on the video expecting to see what was promised in the title. If they encounter something different when they enter the video, they'll leave immediately. And since people are clicking on and leaving your video right away, it'll be much harder for your video to be shown to others. The third mistake is the description section. In the description section, you can add shortcuts for the viewers. For example, let's say I'm explaining how to create an anime video using AI in the video. If I include links to the sites or apps I used in the description, I'll save them time, and they won't have to leave YouTube to search for each tool individually, which means they'll be more likely to subscribe to your channel. The fourth mistake is using the wrong hashtags. Your video is ready, and now you need to use the right hashtags to make sure it reaches the right audience. For example, if I made a cooking video and used the hashtag football, my video would be shown to people watching football. Of course, they're not going to click on your video because they came to watch a football match. So where can you find the right hashtags? There are many websites on Google where you can search for them, and you can also come up with them yourself. For example, for the cooking video I made, I can use hashtags like hashtag recipe, hashtag cooking, hashtag homemade cake, hashtag dessert, and so on. By the way, you can add hashtags in both the description section and the tags section. The fifth mistake is uploading the video at the wrong time. If you look at other channels, MrBeast uploads a video per month. Marcus Jones uploads 3 videos per month. When you're just starting out, you need to train YouTube's algorithm to recognize your channel. That's why it's better to upload a video once a week or every 3 days. How do you calculate this? Think about how many days it takes you to prepare a video. If you can upload a video every week, then upload a video every week. But if it takes longer, say 1 video per month, I'd recommend making your videos longer. Because if your videos are 1 to 2 minutes long, it'll take a long time to reach 4,000 watch hours. But if you make your videos 10 minutes or longer, you'll be able to hit 4,000 hours much faster. Just like those other channels that upload 5 videos a year, each longer than 10 minutes, and they've reached 4,000 watch hours. But you might be asking, if I don't upload videos every week, will I not get views? Of course, you'll still get views, but if you upload videos regularly, it'll be better. So we've reached the end of the video. By following these 5 steps, you'll be able to succeed more quickly. I've given you all the information you need in this video, and after watching this, you can confidently say, I've leveled up. See you in the next video. Take care.